Hi all, welcome back. Today I am going to share the recipe to make Tala gosht at home. So I am going to take around 700 grams of boneless mutton and add this in the pressure cooker pan. I am going to add the spices like Kashmiri red chili powder 1.5 spoon, turmeric powder half spoon and salt to taste. Also going to add 1/4 cup of oil, adding 1.5 spoon of ginger paste and 1.5 spoon of garlic paste. Now give it a good mix. Now mix it on high flame for a couple of minutes. This ensures that all the spices are mixed nicely. Now I am going to add in half cup of water. Now I am going to give it a gentle mix and then cover the pressure cooker lid and cook it. Usually it takes 4 whistles for me, but it also depends on the tenderness of the mutton. Cook until the mutton is nicely cooked and soft. Now I am going to release the steam and open the lid. There seems to be a lot of gravy inside. Now I am going to turn on the flame on high and start reducing the gravy. This recipe is called Tala gosht because now you are going to fry the mutton nicely on high flame until it is juicy and oil starts to separate. So this might take a couple of minutes or more than that, or approximately 3 to 4 minutes. You are going to fry it nicely on high flame. Now you can observe that oil has started to separate nicely. The meat looks very juicy and very soft. Now I am going to go ahead and add 2 split green chilies, handful of curry leaves and chopped coriander leaves. If you want, you can increase the quantity of green chili. It depends on your spice level. Now fry this nicely for 1 more minute on high flame. I am going to add half spoon of garam masala powder and give it a good mix. Now that's it. You can turn off the flame and serve this hot as a side dish. I love to have this with dal and plain rice. If you enjoyed watching today's video, do give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.